This is DJI Air 3, and today I'll show how you can perform the remote controller calibration on this device. To start, launch the camera view of the DJI Fly app, then open settings by tapping at those three dots. Go into the control section, scroll all the way down, then press the RC calibration. Before we can begin, let's power off the drone, which you can do by pressing the power button and then pressing it another time and holding it. Now we can start the RC calibration. So hit the start button, make sure that control sticks are centered, obviously. Now what I want you to do is to check all those positions, so up, down, left and right for both sticks. So simply you can do each of them once. So push the stick to all of those positions to the maximum once. So the same goes for the right stick. So score 100% on all the directions, and then finish by scrolling this wheel here to the left and to the right. And as you can see, the calibration was performed successfully. So that'll be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.